If you need to amend your LLC's articles of organization, LegalZoom makes the process easy and straightforward. Here's a step by step guide on how to do it. Start by logging into your LegalZoom account and heading to your LLC dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Make Changes or Amendment option and click on it. This will guide you through the necessary steps. The next page will ask you to select what you need to amend. You can update your LLC's name, address, business purpose, or even the members and managers of your LLC. Depending on what needs to be changing, LegalZoom will autofill the required from specific to your state. After selecting your changes, carefully review the information to make sure everything is accurate. LegalZoom will display the state's amendment filing fee, which can vary, usually ranging between $25 to $150. In addition, there will be a service fee for using LegalZoom's platform. Make sure you're okay with the total cost before moving forward. Once you have reviewed and confirmed, submit the form and pay the fee. LegalZoom will file the amendment on your behalf at this stage. The standard processing time for amendments can take anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks, depending on your state. However, if you need to process faster, you can choose expedited filing for an additional fee. You will receive email updates on the status of your filing, and once it's approved, LegalZoom will send you an official copy of the amended articles of organization. It's that simple. Updating your LLC's information doesn't have to be complicated when you use LegalZoom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips and tricks.